Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sammy again here. Uh, in weekend, and just I've got some message about please show how to cheat. Also, for example, in roulette machine, in roulette game that we had, we are now busy with blackjack, and they ask, for example, show how they are be able to cheat. That's really the easiest part, and that's why I have uh, not record about that, because uh, just I've made it so very easily to add some, because cheating in roulette it's mean the number that our user choose. For example, as you see here, let me show you, that was our roulette. Let me check it. uh, Let me start the program and let's see what I mean when I'm saying that's easiest way. Look, the logic is like this. I'm going to explain it a little bit, and I'm sure you get it. Okay, I'm opening it just a local host, and cheating on this situation, it's mean when I'm choosing, for example, for number 8, number 8, yeah, and I wanna put there $10. Okay, when we are talking about cheating in casino and roulette, it's mean this number should not come. You see, really, normally if you click 50 times, maybe you, if you are very lucky, you get 3 times number you choose, because it's really random. Okay, and that's why we have to take control about that random number. Okay, and with other words, we don't want winning numbers. See, and other scenario is that uh, look, we are now clicking one to one, but when we are talking about program web application like casino, you have to log in with your account. You have to log in with your account and just play. And what it's the meaning of that process is that you are be able just play till you have money. And that's very good for us to program and say, okay, if he play, if he spins, or if he lose about $100, if he lose $100, give him about $10 back. I don't know, in one spin, for example, or with other scenario, other approach, when he play for 5 spins, sixth spin, he's going to win the game. But I'm telling you how we are, because that's really normal, and that's about Java part. And I remember me when I was at school also. It's not complicated, but you have to. I have no word to say. Just train. When you train about it, and you get what you do, because the structure of program, structure of that Spring Boot application is the same, and we have to change in our Java code. Okay, and here is the logic. Here it say if he win, you get the prize. Okay, first approach. When I'm saying there is no prize, I'm saying now we don't have winner. Okay, now let's make a method, public int, and we want to return a number, and let's do like this, cheat the game. Okay, cheat the game, and like this, cheat the game. So take a look, how easy is that? I'm saying here, scenario is that I can just make a case for all numbers if my user in a case statement, but I don't like to do that. Easiest way, because in a case a switch statement we have to do 36 lines and no mood for. The easiest way, I'm saying I have a method, and this method return just this method just returning number 1. Good. This method returning just number 1. Very good. Okay, I'm saying here now int total is equal to what was that? Win the game or cheat the game. Cheat the game. It means only in one sense. If he, and you know that it's they are be able to choose more numbers, you know that, and we are take it so simple because it's what it is. Okay, and here I'm saying okay, if he choose number 1, okay, that's other scenario, and that's why. And I'm saying here, if the coming number is get like that number in winning position, just give number 1 back. Very easily, and it's you know that it's yeah, maybe in 50 times, 1 time is going to win. It's really, the chance of winning is really small. And you see, and that's you can make in this method do other things also, or just programming, just take a control about all of incoming numbers. And in blackjack I'm going to, because now I got message in blackjack, I'm going to, we have to take a control all of the game, the comings, the taken cards or incoming numbers, and like that. Okay, this is really simple, and you can just in your, because we have only 2 position here right now, if the numbers coming, if it's not coming. And with other word, do you want to win, just we are going to remove this part of our code. There is no winning, they lose. And that's really not happened in real world or in online casinos. You are going to win, but not what you expect. Well, we are be able to make here, if we play more than $1,000 or like that, never going to win. And those logics is depend on you. That's why, because I've not talked about, but here in these 2 statements you are be able to change. And now because in real casino you are going, maybe you are taking all of roulette numbers 1 1 1 everywhere, you know, and that's why this is a really simple one. And in blackjack one, the cards that the player, because each player gets 2 cards for beginning of the game, and for those 2 cards we have to make also something. We say, okay, before make a copy of that, or make we are going to make a variable for, and we want to see, for example, those 2 cards that players has. Okay, or no, let me some easier approach. I want to say I want the first 2 cards of my player to be 16, repeat it, and when it's 16 start the game, and it's take milliseconds, you know what I mean, just very fast, that happened very fast. With other word, I want my player when he begin, he gets 16, that 2 cards, not more and not mean than 16. When he gets 16, start the game. And I know as a dealer on casino, when the game starts, it's mean he are sitting on 16. Okay, and so this logic that they maybe they use to cheat us, but we are here about educational side of that. And this blackjack, I'm working on it, and just I've made this video tonight to say about cheatings, and that's our comings, and I'm adding those to my incoming video also. Guys, that was a really short video, and see you in next video.